Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to make PowerPoint presentations. So here I already opened my PowerPoint software. So here you can see I just open. This is my home. You can take the new files or you can open your existing PowerPoint files. So you can also see here your recent operate files. Okay. So if you want to open your saved file on your computer, you can open from here or you can get new. Okay. So here you can also get blank presentation or you can see that there is a templates available or themes available here. You can click on more and you can get more templates. Okay, so I just choose blank presentation. Okay, so I have to take there is a themes. You can see there is a lot of themes you can choose. So I have to choose the blank presentation because I need to show you the how you can make presentation. So here by default one slide the present you will get now. Okay, so you can also, if you want to add files or slide, you can add slides from here, or you can also just click on right click on it, or you can add new slide, or you can also make this duplicate slide. Okay, so I just add something here. So I don't want this column. I have to click on this dot and I can delete it. Okay, so here I just insert the one shape. So here you go to the insert and you can insert tables, you can insert pictures from your device. Okay, so I just enter shape here. So these shapes, there is a multiple shapes you can see. So I just insert these shapes and you have to drag this shape wherever you want, and you can move this shape, you can resize this shape, anything. Okay, so now go to the format. When you see when you select any object, text or image, so here you can see go to the format and you will see the lot of tools you can see here, and you can make changes of these objects. And if you click on draw tools, okay, there is a no draw tools. Okay, go to the format and here you can see the lots of, you can change color. Okay, you can make it transparent, anything. Okay, so go to the format again, you can fill file. Okay, and go to, if you want to fill file with the pictures, go to the pictures and you can take the pictures from your device. So it is while loading. Okay, so here, okay, I am taking the pictures from my device. So just, okay, this one. Okay, I don't have lots of pictures. Okay, take it. So when you fill anything in picture, then picture will be background. So let it load first. Okay, okay, it's not okay. Don't go to the text, it is a text field, sorry. So you have to go in the shape fields because we insert the shape. Go this dot and go to the pictures, and same way you can get the pictures, and you can see this picture is come into show into this shape. Okay, so here you can make any changes on this. Go to the format, you can change pictures. This for picture. Okay, this is picture format, this is a shape format. Go to the shape format, you can change outline line also. Okay, you can see this outline change. You can change shape reflection. Okay, so you can see change the shape reflection. Okay, so the thing is when you insert any object, any shape or any text, so here you can see the format has become. So I just insert the any, you know I think I have to insert some word art. Okay, I just insert textbooks and just write anything like please subscribe my channels. Okay, so just select the object and here you can see the format has been come. And now you can make changes in text also. You can change outline color, you can change the text color. You have to select text first, go to the format, and you can rotate the text, anything you can do. Okay, so whenever whatever you insert in your slide, then you have to select the slide object, or here you can see the format option will come and you can make change anything from here. Okay, so guys, you can also now you can save this file. Okay, so you can save on browser, or you can save as also. If you want to save as a PDF or anything, you can save as a PDF. Okay, there is a many option you can got. Okay, you can save it as a PDF. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.